And I'd like to call on stage to give away that award the chairperson of the Hindustan Times Media Group, Ms. Shobna Bhartia, as well as our jury member, Mr. Kiran Karnik. Ladies and gentlemen, the Indian of the Year in the category of business, the nominees are
Aditya Ghosh and Rahul Bhatia, Indigo, the brains behind a profitable business that has redefined the term budget airline, offering low-cost air travel that does not mean low quality. Anand Mahindra, Mahindra & Mahindra, the man responsible for the tenfold growth of his group and the biggest wealth creation of this year. N. Chandrasekaran, TCS, a champion of business quality for the IT sector and the genius who has outperformed his peers on all parameters. Nitin Baranjape, HUL, he has made India proud on the global corporate stage, inspired Hindustan Unilever to greater heights, and is a strong champion of ethical and responsible business practices. Pavan Munjal, Hero MotoCorp, a visionary who, despite a split with a global giant, has initiated global expansion and multiple product launches. Rajiv Bajaj, Bajaj Auto, a young gun who has made his corporation the world's most profitable auto company and unleashed a sound export strategy.
And the CNN IBN Indian of the Year in the category of business is?
I'm privileged to announce the CNN IBN of the year 2013 for business is Rajiv Bajaj.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand to Rajiv Bajaj. You know, it's been a tough year for business, and actually we've got two of our other nominees, both of whom have been outstanding businessmen. If I can ask them to stand up for a moment, because all three of our nominees are here. Aditya Ghosh of Indigo, Pavan Munjal of the Hero Group, along with Rajiv Bajaj, because doing business in 2013 has not been easy. So to have you here is a great privilege to have all of you here. Rajiv, tough year to be a businessman in India.
Yeah, it's true, but I read once Mark Twain to say that he didn't let his schooling interfere with his education. I decided not to let my business interfere with my passion. I love motorcycles, that's why I look like a mechanic. So I just spent the year doing what I like to do. I didn't worry much about the business.
But you know what, the interesting part, Rajiv, is that you come from a family tradition, and you've tried to, in a sense, modernize it to the 21st century. You know, you've come out of the shadows of Rahul Bajaj and become your very own person. How easy or difficult was that? Not easy, I believe.
हमेशा इन लोग मुझे ये कठिन प्रश्न पूछते हैं. Somebody once told me that to foster teamwork, focus less on the team and more on the work. So I decided in a family business, it's more important to focus on the business and not worry about the family. Because if the business does well, the family will always be happy. But if I try to make the family happy, it is no guarantee that the business will do well.
Is that? I'm just wondering in that whether you're sending a message to politicians who run political parties like a family business.
मुझे आंसर देना जरूरी है क्या?
Well, but Rajiv, just looking ahead, do you believe that things will get better in 2014?
Nobody knows. I certainly don't. But I believe in the principles on which we run our business. Foremost is that of specialization. we decided a long time back to exit all other product segments and just do one thing, which is to make motorcycles and to make the best motorcycles in the world. So I've always told my team, look at someone like McDonald's. All they do at the end of the day is sell vada pav, and they made a $20 billion business out of that. I am selling motorcycles. I can be much bigger.
Let me get Pawan Munjal, who's the other Mobike man, and he's been a nominee more than a couple of times here. And you've also built a business quite remarkably. What is it about the motorbike business that we're ready to compete with the best in the world?
Sorry, what was that again?
I'm wondering whether BJP versus Congress can become a battle. Does Hero versus Bajaj become a similar kind of battle? Because both of you are building your empires, and it's one of the industries where India is growing all the time.
No, both of us are actually taking on the world.
So you have a similar philosophy to him, just work and little else?
No, a lot of other stuff as well, but clearly take on the world.
And Aditya, if you can give us a sense about, running a low-cost airline, it was a very close contest in business to choose for the jury, and you won numerous awards in the last year. And if you fly Indigo, you're going to land on time, which is a big thing.
Well, I feel privileged to have lost to Mr. Bajaj. I have a phenomenal amount of respect for Rajiv and just his clarity of thought and what he does in business. So one day, I hope in 100 years from now, we as a family at Indigo grow up to be like the Bajaj Auto family today.
You should be in politics, Aditya. You speak so well.
इसीलिए नेहरू जैकेट पहन के आया ना. No, I think.
If everybody starts becoming an Aam Aadmi, then what will Arvind Kejriwal do? Yeah.
I don't have to cover my hair, so no. I mean, obviously we're in a crazy business, but while everybody complains to be in the airline business, I just have a phenomenal team. So it's just like Rajiv. It's one fantastic, entertaining, and really interesting business to be in. So I do have one of the best jobs in the world, even though Rajiv has one of the best businesses in the world.
Well, all of you have done us very proud, and many congratulations. And Shobna Bhartiya and the Hindustan Times Group, thank you once again for supporting the CNN IBN Indian of the Year initiative. Thank you very much. You want to say a last word?
No, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure supporting you.
Thank you. Thank you, Shobna. Thank you, Mr. Karnik. Thank you very much. Rajiv Bajaj, ladies and gentlemen, CNN IBN's Indian of the Year.